Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to set up free proxy for Janitor AI with MegaNova. All right, let's begin. First, open a browser and search for Janitor AI. Click the official website and open any character chat to access the interface. Then, click the menu icon at the top and select API settings. Select proxy section and click Add configuration. Enter a name for your setup. Now, open MegaNova AI and select serverless models. After that, click on MegaNova, then select Dream Shaper 8. Now, go to the API section and copy the model name shown there. Return to Janitor AI and paste the model name into the required field. Next, copy the API URL from MegaNova and paste it into the proxy URL field. After that, copy your API key from MegaNova and paste it into Janitor AI. Finally, click Add Configuration and then save your settings. That's it for this video. Thanks.